కర్ణాటక రాష్ట్రంలోని విజయనగర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ ప్లాంట్ భారతదేశంలో ఒకే ప్రాంతంలో అతిపెద్ద ఉక్కు ఉత్పత్తి కేంద్రం. ప్రస్తుతం ఈ ప్లాంట్ సామర్థ్యం 17.5 మిలియన్ టన్నులు. అయితే రానున్న కాలంలో స్టీల్ సంస్థలో అయినటువంటి జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ స్టీల్ కు వ్యూహాత్మక భాగస్వామ్యం ఉంది జేఎఫ్ఈకి. దీని ద్వారా అత్యాధునిక సాంకేతికతలను అందిపుచ్చుకుని ఆధునిక విలువలు కలిగినటువంటి ప్రత్యేక ఉక్కు ఉత్పత్తులను తమ వినియోగదారులకు అందిస్తోంది జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ. పర్యావరణ పరిరక్షణ దిశగా కూడా జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ స్టీల్ ముందడుగు వేస్తూ 2030 నాటికి తమ ఉక్కు తయారీ కార్యకలాపాల్లో కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఉద్గారాలను 42% తగ్గించాలని ఒక లక్ష్యం పెట్టుకున్నారు జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ. అంతేకాకుండా 2050 నాటికి తమ ప్రత్యక్ష నియంత్రణలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని కార్యకలాపాల్లో నికర కార్బన్ నెట్ జీరో కార్బన్ సాధించాలి అనే సంస్థ కృత నిశ్చయంతో ఉంది. 2030 నాటికి తమ ఉక్కు తయారీ కార్యకలాపాలన్నిటినీ పూర్తిగా పునరుత్పాదక ఇంధనంతో నడపడం ద్వారా ఇంధన పరివర్తనలో ముందడుగు వేయాలి అని జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ లక్ష్యంగా పెట్టుకుంది. మనం చూస్తున్నాము విజువల్స్ లో గౌరవనీయులు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి వర్యులు శ్రీ నారా చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు, శ్రీ సజ్జన్ జిందాల్ గారు, చైర్మన్ అండ్ మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ జేఎస్డబ్ల్యూ.
Better every day is just not our tagline, it's our philosophy. We are $25 billion right?
This is all electric cars. All mostly we make number 2 now. Mostly we make electric cars. Brand MG.
Can mic better.
Yeah, they are all here. We'll show you. We have to. What is it?
Mic.
No, not with it.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा. वीडियो में आवाज. We are proud to be what do we do to the national scale?
Sir, this.
Depends how far you are doing.
Yeah, this. Can we go back? So this is a all-terrain vehicle. So like Punjab, there was big floods. So then this vehicle saved a lot of people. It can go into water, into slushy land, into sea, into river. So this vehicle is very, very useful. Army, one helicopter crashed in a very difficult terrain. So to rescue the pilots and people, this vehicle was used. So Army has bought many of them. And Punjab state has also bought. So
What is the cost?
about 1 crore rupees, I think, sir. 2 crores rupees. 2 crore. 2 crore. Yes, sir. This is very important.
Sports where you are doing.
So like Neeraj Chopra is our athlete.
So Vijayanagar, what is the infrastructure you are having?
We have a big center, sir, sports. So we have 400 athletes. We are training there every day.
What is the infrastructure?
It's a high performance center. We have around 50 acres. All the sports people stay there, and we have gymnasium, all the high performance boxing
I
ring.
want to create one of the best sports infrastructure in Amaravati.
Okay, so sir, we can work on that. We should, if you can send your people there.
I will send and then we'll go. This is the world best infrastructure. I want to
We
create.
have created like that only. You will be very happy to see.
That's good.
Yeah, please.
Good.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Reality and how much you are doing?
We have recently started, sir. Now in Mumbai, we have very, very many big projects we are doing, sir.
Now in Amaravati we aim. Real estate is the future.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah. We invest in startup companies.
You have to come to venture capital also.
Yeah.
I am starting number of startups.
In Amravati.
Amaravati, not only Amaravati, 5 centers. Now I have given you 1 center to you.
Okay.
This region,
Correct.
Anantapur,
Okay.
Tata Innovation Hub,
Okay.
is headed by JSW.
Acha,
We are
okay.
requesting it.
Okay. Okay, sir. Definitely. Yeah.
It's good. Good portfolios.
This video is full of Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah. This is what we are doing in Andhra Pradesh.
This is our everlasting ever growing relationship with Andhra Pradesh and its presence. We just start the videos. It's just 2 minutes.
Yes.
Next one is so for this night,
Andhra Pradesh presents footprint, sir. All the companies and all the investments totaling to 50,000 crores in Andhra Pradesh, current and future.
Whatever we have invested and what we are going to invest is going to be 50,000.
This is Rayalaseema Steel Plant. Now we are talking of the Rayalaseema regions, how it is going to change. This is the JSW Steel Energy. It is going to be side by side. This is the infrastructure. Water will come, from Mailavaram Dam, the road from NH67, railway connectivity and power. Everything will be there. And this region will be, this is a township, proposed township also. Sir. This is how bird's eye view it will look. Phase 1 and phase 2. So scrap recycling is the highlight. We'll be using scrap and DRI, but circular economy.
This is the green steel. Even energy will be solar energy.
Yes, sir.
What's smelting also green energy.
Green energy. Yeah. Everything only green.
This is the casting process. And this is the beam, the product, the final product.
This is all for building constructions and also.
So this is first in India that we are making 1 meter wide beams. This is the first in India. 1016 millimeters. 1 meter wide. Rolled heavy sections. And now we'll show the usage of this. This is how it is used. So steel intensive buildings. Rather than concrete buildings, steel intensive infrastructure.
All the railway bridges. Yes, sir. This multi-story building. Burj
Sir.
is made with steel, sir.
Yes. And this is our
This is our headquarters in Bombay.
headquarters in Bombay. Sir.
It's also
Site-
steel, sir. Fully.
Site to behold. Sir. This is looks very good when you make steel buildings. It is high on efficiency
Yeah.
and it looks faster.
Yes, sir.
so we have the models, sir.
So these are the new cars that we are manufacturing. This is MG Magister. This is a very strong car, very high quality. We recently, today only, this month only we are launching. July only, no? Yeah. This is a very popular electric car, sir. In India, this is the number one electric car that we are selling under the MG brand. This is this is all made in Baroda.
How many you are making a
1 lakh, 1,20,000. Now next year we'll make 2 lakh cars. Yes. And then grow. This is another very nice car, sir. This CM Maharashtra is also taken and we have made it bulletproof for him. So just show that. This is a very comfortable car. Captain seats and it can fully recline.
This is a fully
Come. It's fully manufactured here, sir, and fully electric. And
this is a bulletproof, sir.
this one is not, but it will be converted into bulletproof. For CM, sir.
Here we have the massager seats, heat and the ventilation seats for all the seat.
Acha. That also.
Yes, sir.
What is the cost of this car?
About 80 lakhs?
90 lakhs.
90 lakhs. Yeah. And if you make it bulletproof, maybe another 10 or 20 lakh rupees more.
That's all.
Then it becomes bulletproof. So 1 crore, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 20 lakhs.
1.2 nearly.
1.2,
Yes.
it will become bulletproof, sir.
And now also it's Euro NCAP 5-star is
So, sir,
very
in
hard
fact,
material.
in every city, one car for CM can be.
At least 3 regions, 3 cars.
Yeah.
Then it will come.
Yes, sir. More than
3 regions, 3 cars.
3 cars. Then it can come. Yeah, correct.
Hub and spoke.
Correct. Yeah, hub and spoke. Yeah.
We'll work it out.
Yes, sir.
Equal to Toyota welfare model.
Half
So
of
bigger
that.
than that, sir, actually.
The size is bigger, but price is half.
Price is half of the Welfare.
That is 1.8.
1.8.
That is 1.8.
He is saying 80 lakhs plus 20 lakhs bulletproof.
Bulletproof. Then becomes bulletproof.
Around 1.
Welfare 1.8.
1.8.
Now we will change it. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
We'll work it out.
And it's very comfortable and electric, sir. No
And
fuel.
also working and also very.
Yeah.
In a single charge, we give up to 450 on road, sir. One charge.
One charge.
Acha.
500 kilometers.
So we'll work it out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any other car is there? That's,
Riding also more comfortable electric car.
Yes, sir. It's very smooth and easy to
Smooth,
drive
no?
actually.
Yeah, smooth also.
This is Cyberstar, sir, sports car.
Sports car.
This is like a
0 to 100
Ferrari.
in 3.2 seconds.
I have this in Bombay. I drive sometimes. It's very fast.
Just for sir.
Just for-
What is the speed?
It can go up to, I think, 300 kilometers.
So 280 is the
250.
top speed and 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds.
Ah.
725 Nm of torque. Equal to Ferrari.
Yeah.
Good research you have done.
Yes.
I thought only steel man.
Steel, everybody knows me because that is my original thing.
Yeah.
But these are all new ideas. Now I'm also working on rockets. Sir.
No, why can't you make it? I created Space City
Ah,
in Tirupati.
in Tirupati.
IIT,
IIT, I am the chairman of IIT Tirupati. Ah.
You can make it IIT, Tirupati and ISAR.
Ah,
I am starting one AP first.
okay.
Innovations.
Okay.
Both institutes. together.
Yeah, Satyanarayana told me,
Yeah,
Professor
I told you.
Satyanarayana. Yeah, I told
Now there I am starting Space City.
you. Okay.
Near the
Near the IIT.
5,000 acres of land.
Oh,
Huge land.
for Space City. So we'll make there only.
Yeah, the excellent.
Best. It's the best
The
place.
future is energy also you can supply from sun.
Correct.
That is the
That's what Elon Musk says, no? He'll
can
set
do
up the data centers in the space.
not only data centers. Energy people are saying
Ah.
after
Ah.
200 kilometers,
Ah.
20 times higher energy from sun.
Correct. Correct.
You can send it to
To the
laser,
ground.
Laser technology. To
Yeah.
home.
To home. Oh, every home from there distribute from directly.
Why
Yeah.
can't you do it?
Yeah. Huge.
Replacement of details, sir.
Yeah.
Huge opportunity.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
think
we have,
what?
we have, you know,
Do some
working,
research.
already working on it.
No,
sir.
no, I am very happy. Why
Yes.
can't you make it that Space City?
I will, that only. Now it is decided.
Yeah.
We'll go there only.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's beautiful, airport is there.
Yeah.
And full infrastructure is
Moreover,
beautiful.
Sriharikota is next to that.
Next to that.
Launching.
Correct. That's the launching, yes.
Launching.
Yeah.
Everything we can make it.
Yeah.